Have you ever marveled at the vast expanse of the ocean? As we all know, over 70% of our planet is covered in water, yet we've managed to explore less than 5% of it. That's right. There are still so many mysteries hiding beneath the waves. But did you know that there's a secret world in the deepest part of the ocean that has remained largely untouched by humans? As we dive into the hidden depths, we'll uncover the unbelievable creatures that make their home down there. What kind of animals can survive in such harsh conditions? You might be asking, but we assure you that what you're about to see will leave you speechless. Welcome back, everyone. Here, you're about to witness the incredible journeys of the ocean's most fearsome hunters and the amazing ways they adapt to survive. Let's begin. Unveiling the abyss. Life beyond light. The deep sea is a place where sunlight never reaches, where intense pressure threatens to crush any intruder. Yet life not only exists here, but thrives in all its bizarre glory. If you thought Earth had no more secrets left, prepare to be proven wrong. We're talking about an underwater realm so alien it seems straight out of a sci-fi movie. Organisms that glow in the dark, creatures adapted to withstand pressures that would pulverize a submarine, and animals that find nourishment in the void where light fades, and life takes on the most extreme forms. What exactly goes on down there? Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of deep-sea creatures. Their survival strategies are nothing short of miraculous, so get ready to be amazed by the tenacity of life itself. Now let's continue. Masters of the deep, unbelievable adaptations. Just imagine the immense pressure hundreds of meters below the surface. At these depths, it's like being crushed by the weight of an entire blue whale. But these remarkable creatures don't just survive, they flourish. How do they do it? It's all about their unique adaptations. First, there's the issue of freezing temperatures, but some deep-sea fish have the incredible ability to produce special proteins that act like antifreeze, keeping their bodies from turning into popsicles. Isn't that amazing? But it gets even weirder. Some deep-sea fish have expandable stomachs. Why do they need that, you ask? Well, they often find prey that's already dead and floating past them. Having a stretchy stomach helps them grab as much food as possible. And let's not forget about those who hunt in the darkness. They've evolved glowing lures to attract their unsuspecting prey. These bioluminescent wonders serve as fishing rods to draw in unsuspecting victims right into their mouths. The deep sea is a place where nature's creativity knows no bounds. There are over 40,000 known species down there, with an estimated 200,000 more waiting to be discovered. Each one is a testament to the incredible power of evolution. These adaptations didn't happen by accident. Over millions of years, life has found a way to thrive in the most extreme conditions. So keep marveling at these incredible creatures and the amazing ways they have adapted to survive in the depths of our oceans. Who knows what other surprises await us in the darkest depths of our planet? The hunt in darkness. Survival strategies. Hunting in the deep sea is not for the faint of heart. Imagine trying to find a meal in complete darkness while being surrounded by terrifying predators. These creatures have developed some truly fascinating strategies to survive in this unforgiving environment. Picture this. You're in the pitch-black depths of the ocean and you need to find food. How do you do it without eyes or ears to help you? Well, you do what the anglerfish does. These masters of disguise have evolved with glowing lights on their heads, acting like fishing rods to lure unsuspecting prey within striking distance. Can you imagine anything more ingenious? Then there are the siphonophores, fascinating creatures that work together to form massive hunting machines. They move in unison, creating an awe-inspiring display of synchronized swimming and hunting prowess. Together, they form a giant net to trap their prey, showcasing the incredible power of teamwork in the deep sea. But not all deep-sea dwellers rely on hunting to survive. Take the tripod fish, for example. These peculiar fish live near hydrothermal vents, where superheated water spews out of the earth. Instead of searching for food, the tripod fish simply wait for dead animals from the shallow waters above to drift down and settle near the vents. Talk about a unique way of getting your meals. But it gets even more intriguing. Some deep-sea creatures have formed partnerships with bacteria. The fish provide the bacteria with a place to live, and in return, the bacteria provide the fish with food. Now that's what we call a win-win situation. These amazing hunting strategies are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the mysteries of the deep sea. From the bizarre anglerfish to the cooperative siphonophores, these creatures have found a way to not only survive in the most challenging environment, but also thrive. So keep diving deeper into the ocean's depths and discover the incredible ways that these animals have adapted to survive. Who knows what other wonders await us in the darkness below? Mysteries of migration, hidden journeys. Did you know that some deep-sea creatures undertake epic migrations every single day? These journeys are not just impressive feats of endurance, but also essential for their survival. Imagine a world where the sun never shines and you have to rely on a completely different set of senses to navigate. That's the reality for many deep-sea animals. But how do they find their way through the endless darkness? It all comes down to instinct. Over millions of years, these creatures have honed their navigational skills to perfection. They use a combination of chemical cues, pressure changes, and even magnetic fields to guide their movements. It's like having an internal GPS system. But why do they need to migrate? Well, it's all about finding food. In the depths of the ocean, food is not always readily available. So many deep-sea creatures undertake epic migrations in search of sustenance. For instance, the Deal vertical migration is the largest animal migration on the planet. Every day, billions of small fish and zooplankton move up and down the water column. As the sun sets, they ascend toward the surface to feed on the phytoplankton that blooms in the shallows. And as dawn approaches, they dive back down to the safety of the deep. These migrations are not only crucial for the survival of the animals involved, but also play a vital role in the balance of the entire ecosystem. The carbon they consume during their ascent is carried back down to the depths, providing food for deep-sea predators. It's a fascinating example of how life has adapted to the challenges of the deep sea. Protecting the deep, a fragile frontier. The deep sea may seem like a world away from our everyday lives, but it's not as untouched as you might think. Human activities are increasingly impacting this fragile ecosystem, and it's up to us to protect it. Climate change, pollution, and deep-sea mining are just a few of the threats that are endangering the delicate balance of this underwater realm. But why should we care? What makes the deep sea so important? The answer might surprise you. The deep sea plays a vital role in regulating our planet's climate. The tiny plants and animals that live there absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, helping to mitigate the effects of climate change. It's like having an underwater carbon sink. Additionally, the deep sea is home to a plethora of undiscovered species. Many of these creatures are found nowhere else on Earth, making it one of the most unique ecosystems on the planet. By protecting the deep sea, we're safeguarding the incredible biodiversity that it holds. So what can we do to help? One way is to support organizations that are working to protect the deep sea. There are several nonprofits dedicated to exploring and conserving this fragile environment. Another way we can help is by reducing our own impact on the planet. By making changes in our daily lives, such as reducing our carbon footprint and using eco-friendly products, we can make a difference. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey into the heart of the deep sea. We hope we've inspired you to learn more about these amazing creatures and the challenges they face. Remember, even in the darkest depths of our oceans, life finds a way to not only survive, but thrive. It's up to us to ensure that these incredible journeys continue for generations to come. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep protecting the wonders of our natural world. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.